Hi everyone, Sean with Mystic Valley Woodworks. Today I'm going to show you how I build a cabinet carcass to hold 6 drawers for a kids activity center that I'm building for a client. So stay tuned and let's build this thing. Alright, so now that we've got our 23-30 seconds dado or rabbit at the top and our 3/4, which should be 23-30 seconds, but I have a 3/4 bit, so it's 3/4. Dado right here. This is the bottom part of the cabinet. Now I need to cut a 1/4 inch rabbit on the back side, so when I put it together I'll have a place for my back piece to go. So we're going to go ahead and do that now.
I used to be a beggar. I had no silver or gold. My house was just a cabin. My clothes were ragged and old. But one day I went to an altar. I bowed on my knees in prayer. Jesus reached down and touched me, and I came up a millionaire. I went down a beggar, but I came up a millionaire. Jesus gave me a mansion on a golden square. He gave me a beautiful robe of white and a crown of jewels to wear. I went down a beggar, but I came up a millionaire. Now you can't tell by looking that anything has changed. My house is still a cabin. These clothes are still the same. But God is preparing a city, and I'm laying my treasures up there. And one day I'm going to claim them when I move to that city so fair. I went down a beggar, but I came up a millionaire.
Wow, what a fun build this has been so far. So in part 2, I'm going to show you how to build the drawers, put them together, install the drawer slides, and install the drawers as well. If you really like videos like this, or you would like for me to put out more videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe, share, and hit that thumbs up button. Thanks for watching.